Tom and his sister Lily loved adventures. One sunny day, they had a big idea. "Let's build a secret treehouse," Tom said. Lily smiled and clapped her hands. First, they looked for a strong tree in their backyard. They found a big oak tree with wide branches. "This is perfect," Lily said. Next, they made a simple plan. They drew a small house with a floor, walls, and a ladder. Then they asked their dad for help. He gave them wood, nails, and a hammer. They started building step by step. Tom held the wood while Lily passed the nails. Their dad helped make it safe and strong. Soon, they had a small floor high in the tree. After that, they added walls and a tiny roof. Lily painted it light blue, and Tom made a small sign that said, "Secret Club." Finally, the treehouse was ready. They climbed up and looked at the sky. It felt like their own little world. "This is the best adventure ever," Tom said. Lily smiled. "And we built it together."